Okay, I just made a $10,000 RSP contribution. How much does that reduce my tax bill by? Remember, with RSPs, there's two main benefits. The first one is RSP contributions reduce your taxable income. That's the first benefit. That's the immediate benefit. The second benefit is that anything that happens within that RSP account and all the derivative accounts, but anything that happens within that RSP account is a non-taxable event. If I get a dividend, there is no immediate tax consequence. If I buy an investment and it triples over time, there is no immediate tax consequence. The only time tax comes into the RSP and its sister RIF account is when you start pulling money out of the account. Okay, so I just made a $10,000 RSP contribution. What does that do to my tax bill this year? Let's get into it. But first, let me remove my face. Okay, here we go. Again, I want you to look at this. This here. There's the address to this calculator. I'm going to expand that. And to help us answer this question, I'm going to go to this. Ontario, Canadian personal tax rates. You click on the province you live in. I live in Ontario. Okay, so I just made a $10,000 RSP contribution. What does that do to my taxable income? Again, it's a trick question. It depends. I'm making the RSP contribution from what level of income? So let's go through a few levels of income. First level, let's say I earn $510,000 and I make a $10,000 RSP contribution. That knocks my taxable income down to $500,000. Well, I was paying a 53.53% rate on income from $500,000 to $510,000. Anything over $220,000 is taxed at 53.53%. So from $500,000 to $510,000, the tax rate was 53.53%. So I make a $10,000 RSP contribution. It reduces my tax bill by $5,353. I earn $120,000. I make a $10,000 RSP contribution, knocking my taxable income from $120,000 down to $110,000. I reduce my tax bill by $4,341. I earn $60,000. I make a $10,000 RSP contribution. That knocks my taxable income down to $50,000 from $60,000. I reduce my tax bill by $2,965. So notice what's happening here. $2,965 and $5,353. Benefit number one, contributions reduce taxable income. The lower your taxable income, the less the benefit of reducing your taxable income. Well, the higher your income, the more valuable the first benefit is. I earn $10,000 and I make a $10,000 contribution. What does that do to my taxable income? It does nothing. I wasn't paying any tax anyway. Now I still have the second benefit, but the first benefit is completely eliminated if all I earn is $10,000. This is like students who are working in the summer. So that's one thing to note. The higher your taxable income, the more valuable a dollar of RSP contribution is to you for the first benefit. Okay, so now, like I did before, let's say I earn $80,000 and I make a $10,000 RSP contribution. Now, the issue with $80,000 is I'm between two tax brackets. So I earn 80, so I'm in this tax bracket, make a $10,000 RSP contribution, that kicks me down to $70,000 of taxable income. So I get some of the benefit will be at 31.48%, and the balance will be at 29.65. We could do the calculation, but we don't need to. We can just go to the calculator. Personal calculator, 2019. Again, the 2020 is going to be coming out soon. Let me scroll down. Okay, tax on 80,000 is, calculate, in Ontario, $17,004. I make the $10,000 RSP contribution. It knocks my taxable income down to $70,000. This is the benefit of the first benefit of the RSP. You knock that taxable income number down by the amount of the RSP contribution. Hit calculate. 13,990. So on 80,000, I owe $17,004 in tax. On taxable income of 70,000, I owe 13,990. There we go. This is how our progressive tax system works, and that's how RSP contributions affect your tax bill. Thank you for watching.